14 ang abante ng Santa Lucia as we start the fourth quarter of hostilities between these two squads. Talk and text na may hawak ng bola. Donbel Belano. Wala! And the loose ball goes out of bounds. It'll stay with the talk and text. Tatlong mga naka-berde dun ang nakapaligid as you looked at the quarter scoring earlier on. Cardona. Maclay is on him. And there's another steal by Santa Lucia. Paulo Mendoza. Binigay kay Joseph Yeo at the corner. Balik ulit kay Paulo. Maclay. Marlo Aquino. Inside to Dennis Da. Da. And he gets it back. And there's going to be a foul. Somewhere there. Alam mo, talagang binibigyan ng kumpiyansa ni Coach Boyd Fernandez itong mga rookies na kanyang nakuha. And then delivering. Ito si Dennis Da when he came off the bench kanina in the early going, was able to contribute in their run in the first half.
At ito si Maclay kanina, nakita nga natin, tumira mula sa labas. So all these guys, on the tail end of that bench, all these rookies really contributing, and we thought kung bench ang titingnan sabi nga natin mas maganda at mas malalim ang bench ng Talk and Text.
Yun sinasabi natin, maraming supposedly pero binabago ng Santa Lucia yung mga impresyon na nakalagay na sa ating mga utak. Here's Mac Cardona and Melvin Maclay going up with him. May foul na tatawagin. Tingnan natin anong pag-uusapan ng ating dalawang referee, si Art Herrera at si Robert Ting Jr. is working this game along with Noy Guevara.
In this game, it seemed na itong mga stars ng Talk and Text hindi magsabay-sabay yung kanilang mga puntos.
A minute has gone by dito sa ating fourth quarter. Joseph Yeo, Dennis Da, Paulo Mendoza. Wala. And Dennis Da coming out of nowhere to try and grab the rebound. At lumabas po yung bola. Last touch pa rin ng Talk and Text. At ito si Joseph Yeo. Ginabas kay Melvin Maclay. Nothing there. And Marlo Aquino binigay kay Da. Underneath.
Something you would expect. Talk and Text dapat yung maraming makukuha mga rebounds. But here in this fourth quarter, the Realtors out hustling the big men of the Phone Pals.
Mac Cardona scores, and Patricia has a report on Santa Lucia.
Well, Ed, if you remember, isa sa keys to winning na itong si Coach Boyd Fernandez ay maging mabangis pa sa endgame situation. Mas lalo na ngayon nakita nila na maganda yung rally ng Talk and Text in the third period. Now, to keep the lead, he advises that they want quicker baskets, try out outlet passes every now and then para mapag-iwanan nila yung mga nag-iinit na big man ng Phone Pals, particularly Washington. Kailangan nila to put a guy on him even more. Back to you, Ed.
Well, Dennis Da has been very aggressive itong mga last couple of plays, and there he tried to get inside the paint, picked up a foul, and will now have two opportunities from the free throw line.
Nakita natin may halong experience pa miski rookie sliding to the basket.
May mga nagtatanong daw, Dennis, ikaw ba karapat-dapat na pumasok sa PBA? Sagot niya, di ba? 75-58 ang ating score. And the shot from Malapag doesn't go.
Santa Lucia got away with one that time. You can't leave Renren Ritualo that open. Good job of Talk and Text to find Renren. Kailangan ito si Renren makatulong sa kanila dahil 5 points pa lang siya sa larong ito.
Pero not for want of trying, di ba? Dahil marami na rin siyang binitawan. Ito si Aliado from the outside. Mac Cardona swats it away, and it will go to Santa Lucia.
The last couple of shots that Talk and Text had, mga tira naman na libre on the onset. So, bumabalik na naman yung kaninang sinasabi natin na hindi maganda yung field goal shooting nila.
Derek Miranda. That is Joseph Yo. They're slowing down the pace somewhat. Half-court game ang nilalaro ngayon itong Santa Lucia. Marlo Aquino against Don Aliado. Tuluhon, wala. And Don Belverano gets to the rebound. Here's Mac Cardona being held down by Joseph Yo. O, kamusta po yung sa mga nanonood sa atin sa mga kaprobinsyahan? Diyan po sa Albay, sa Legazpi Albay, Hector Serrano at ang ating kaibigan, yung Pound Station Manager sa Tacloban City, Glenn Valdesera. Maupay nga gabi yung katanan, Bidahan Tacloban, si Bumulan na naman sa PBA nila on November 17.
And a couple of superstars for Token Tex riding the bench at for this rally or yung sinusubukan nilang rally. Ito si Jimmy Alapag dito sa ating second half. Only played 4 minutes. Asita Olava in the second half, only 2 minutes.
Kataka-taka yan, ano ha? Alright, Kelly Williams to Melvin Mamaklay. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Santa Lucia. 7 minuto pa rin ang nalalabi sa ating laro. Kelly Williams. Denok Miranda skirts the defense. He is inside the paint, goes up for the jumper and picks up the foul.
It's a 15-point lead para Santa Lucia. Obviously, there's still 2 more free throws. Pero it seems na nawala na naman at nakuha na naman ng Santa Lucia yung momentum. O di kaya pinatay na nila yung momentum on the side of Token Tex in the third quarter. Token Tex will need to find a guy na para buhayin ulit sila. Gaya ng ginawa ni Washington the third quarter, gaya ng ginawa ni Jimmy Alapag sa second quarter. But it seems with this lineup, hinahanap pa nila kung sinong gagawa.
Uy, dalawang mintis ni Denok Miranda. But still, a rather comfortable 15-point lead so far para sa Santa Lucia. Don Aliado misses on that try. Kelly Williams gets the rebound. Outside for Santa Lucia, according to referee. Sandali lang, binago ang desisyon ni referee Ting. And gives it to the Talking Text, rather. Jay Washington inside. Mac Cardona for 3. No. And a foul is going to be called on Don Aliado. Siya nga pala, para po doon sa hindi umabot doon sa ating first game kanina, nagwagi po ang Magnolia Beverage Masters over Coca-Cola. Ang score po doon in our first game, 89-78, with Lodi Tugrade lording it over and getting best player Plum with 21.6 rebounds.
This quarter has been very slow. We've only seen 2 field goals thus far. Sa 11 inattempt ng dalawang koponan, 2 pa lang sumut.
Ito, Marlo Aquino, back to the basket shot! Sarap naman. Graceful can you get at 6'10"? 6'9"? Si Marlo Aquino, no? 77-60, 17-point lead, Santa Lucia. And watch it one more time on the assist by Joseph Yo to Marlo Aquino. Dami pala lola. Okay. Don Belverano, pasa niya. Naagaw na naman ni Delbert Omalon. Omalon! Ay, nako. 19 na naman ang abante ng Santa Lucia, 79-60. Don Belverano. Kakatulakan sila ni Joseph Yo ba?
Yeah, you have to look at those extra movements because those are not normal basketball movements. Yan nagsisimula yung sinasabi natin, nagkakaroon ng mga foul na hindi na maganda.
Here's Joseph Yo. And Belano for the rebound. Forward to Ren Ritualo. Masyado malakas yung pasa
2 turnovers at a crucial time. Yung isa nang galing mula sa timeout. Dunk ang kinalabasan para kay Delbert Omalon. Every possession right now para sa Token Tex, so important.
19 puntos po ang abante ng Santa Lucia Realty, and Ren Ritualo goes back to the bench dejectedly. Marlo. Kelly Williams going baseline. And there's going to be a foul. Ay gabi sa atong mga higala sa Tibok, Kabisayan ug sa Mindanao, diha sa Misamis Oriental, Governor Oscar Moreno ug ang atong daghang mga amigo diha. Maayong gabi inyong tanan. Ed Pixon po kasama si Jason Webb, giving you the action here at courtside sa Araneta Coliseum between Talk and Text and Santa Lucia Realty. Kasalukuyan, 21 na naman ang abante ng Santa Lucia, and again Talk and Text having some problems trying to get that ball to go.
Talk and Text, their field goal shooting in this quarter, probably the worst in all the quarters dahil ang percentage nila napakababa, 12.5% lang.
Grabe yun. Ayun, si Jay Washington, kanina pa po nagpupumilit ito na maibalik ang kanyang kupunan sa larong ito. 17 points now by Jay Washington.
You know, after that 13 points in the third quarter, nawala na si Jay Washington. Ngayon na lang ulit natin sa pangalan na.
Ayun na naman si Marlo Aquino. Diyan lang kayo mga bata, ha? Sabi niya, panoorin niyo si Kuya Marlo. 16 points by Marlo. Alapag! Malakas. And as Marlo Aquino went for the rebound, there's going to be a foul called dito kay Yancy Del Campo. At penalty na ang Talk and Text at 6:05 remaining dito po sa ating fourth quarter. At bibigyan ng dalawang pagkakataon si Marlo Aquino from the free throw line. Talagang naman pagka maganda ang laro mo, talagang lahat they all start coming together. Pati yung free throw na yun, maganda. Ayun pa isa!
Kaya nang sabi natin kanina, Ed, the season didn't start so well para kay Marlo Aquino. First game niya, bokya. 0 out of 3 from the field. But in their last game against Magnolia, he had 19 points. He was having an excellent game. Really didn't have a chance to finish that game dahil napagod na rin siya. But eto, sinundan niya yung 19 na yun. Ngayon, meron na siyang 18.
And counting. Jimmy Alapag was fouled. Yan ang mga kailangan nila, no, ha? Na dapat pumasok. At alam natin si Jimmy Alapag is normally a reliable free throw shooter.
And he was a top scorer in the end of the first half. That would be his first point in the second half. Nawala.
Oo. Paolo Mendoza may dala ng bola para sa Santa Lucia. Dennis Miranda is there. Kelly Williams and dito kay Omolon. Nilabas bigla kay Dennis Miranda. Kelly Williams. Ayaw. Here comes Egay Billones. Ngayon lang pumasok ito si Egay, no, ha? Ito si Yancy. Oh, nice move by Yancy Del Campo.
Ganda, going back to his strong side and excellent jump hook to get it over the hands of Marlo.
Alam mo, napag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage, Jason, yung pagkatalo ng Barangay Ginebra kagabi doon sa Rojas City to the well-coached Dragons. Congratulations sa well-coached. Ginulat ang marami, no? At dito palagay ko, yung mga ngayon lang dumating sa bahay, galing sa simbahan o whatever, pagbukas sila ng TV, parang hindi siguro makapaniwala, ha? 20 lamang na Santa Lucia against Talk and Text with only 5 minutes remaining.
Meron tayong mga sinasabi mga koponan that are mga favorites, but it doesn't mean to say that the rest of the guys that probably don't have as strong a lineup, kakaya-kayanin nila. We're just saying, sinasabi or mga eksperto sinasabi, maganda yung lineup niyan. Pero yung iba naman, maganda rin. Maganda rin naman. Mas maganda lang yung sa mga sinasabi nating Talk and Text at Magnolia.
Well, ayun, si Jimmy Alapag. TM3 po yan. Hatid sa inyo ni Jimmy Alapag. Obviously, lahat po ng mga koponan are working hard to improve their lineups and consequently their performance in every tournament. You can see that here. 4:55 remaining in the fourth. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Jason Webb dito po sa courtside at Araneta for this game between Santa Lucia and Talk and Text. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang pa rin ng Santa Lucia 85-68, 17-point lead for the Realtors at nasa kanila ang bola. Denok Miranda, binigay kay Paolo Mendoza for the open shot. And Kelly Williams takes it away para sa Santa Lucia muli on an offensive rebound.
Already 14 rebounds para kay Kelly Williams. Shooting sa araw nito, hindi masyadong gumagana kay Kelly, but he has help in the rebounding side of the game.
Okay, ito naman ngayon si Egay Villores, rumaratrat. Tinawagan ng foul si Paolo Mendoza.
Alam mo Ed, itong free throw shooting ng Talking Tex, napakasakit. They're only shooting 66%. They've missed they've missed 7 attempts in this game. At itong mga mintis nila, karamihan nang galing dito sa fourth quarter. Ayan, isa pa.
Oo, itong kanina si Jimmy Alapag, nagbintis din dyan eh. Okay, sorry. Binago ni referee Herrera yung tawag niya. Yusuf Al-Jamal. Yancy De Ocampo. Tama kay Dennis Espino. Double teamed. Yancy gets it over to Jay Washington. Jumper by Washington won't go. Ayan si Yancy. Yes.
15 na lang ang kalamangan. A couple of missed free throws really could have cut this lead down, but don't count Talking Tex out at this point.
Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun. Ayan si Dennis Espino. Sumuhit. Nagbutos Kelly Williams against Jay Washington. Nakapit ang bola pero napulot si Joseph Yo in the backcourt. Joseph Yo pa rin. They've got a lot of time. 16 seconds on the game clock. The shot clock rather. Para sa Santa Lucia. Joseph Yo. Nilabas kay Denok Miranda. Miranda takes it inside. Runs into the defense. Jay Washington throw it to Egay Villores. Villores will go for it. And they cut the lead down to 13.
You know, this lineup of Talking Tex, very quick turnovers.
Ayun, steal. A bad pass by Paolo Mendoza. At bigla na lamang tinapyas ang lamang ng Santa Lucia down to 11. 85-74. 3 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Dito po sa ating laro ng Santa Lucia at ng Talking Tex. Dennis Espino. Denok Miranda. Miranda is inside. Wala. And the loose ball picked up by Dennis Espino. At the labas muna. 2:54 to go. Well, they have the luxury of time and they'd like to make use of it.
A couple of offensive rebounds that have hurt Talking Tex. Dalawa nakuha kanina ni Kelly Williams and another one para kay Dennis Espino. Santa Lucia being allowed to kill more time.
Narito si Denok Miranda. Ball away jumper. Ayun. And the loose ball. Nakapwede Yusuf Al-Jamal. Denok Miranda tatawagan ng foul. Penalty na rin ng Santa Lucia. So free throws na ito. 2.5 minutes to go in this game. Al-Jamal out of San Beda College. Champion team of the NCAA. And more free throws being missed here by Talking Tex.
Alam mo Ed, sa fourth quarter, ang minintis na ng free throw ng Talking Tex, 6.
Dako. What a two by Yusuf Al-Jamal. Pass out to the front court to Dennis Espino as Al-Jamal hits the deck. And 3-second violation is called on Kelly Williams.
Pagkakataon muli para sa Talking Tex.
Sabi mo nga, ha? Hindi po pwedeng i-count out itong Talking Tex at this point. Still have 2:24 to go. That's a lot of time. Especially dahil 10 na lang hinahabol itong Talking Tex. Di ba na pa kung makumaan ng 3-pointer. Ito sa loob si Egay Villores to Jay Washington. And the lead is down to 8. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Paolo Mendoza to Joseph Yo.
The first time that the lead is in single digits since the first quarter.
And we're in the last 2 minutes. Ito po ang ating Outlast. 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Talking Tex. Naghihiyawan na po itong mga fans ng Talk and Text dito sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum. 85-77 is the count, a minute and 49 to go. Al-Jamal is wide open. Wala.
That could have been big. He had the look that he wanted. Libre. Kitang-kita.
Joseph Yeo binababa ang bola para sa Santa Lucia. Binubulabog ni Egay Billones. Arito si Joseph Yeo pa rin. To Kenny Williams, Paulo Mendoza, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Paulo Mendoza gets open. No. And the rebound taken in by Jay Washington off to Jimmy Alapag. And Paulo Mendoza stands in his way, gives up the foul and the 2 shots para kay Jimmy Alapag with a minute and 16 to go. And the lead of Santa Lucia drastically chopped down to only 8 points. Ulit-ulitin po natin, umabot po ng 25 yan. In the third quarter, umakyat ng 23 kung di ako nagkakamali, di ba? Yung 25, ang 25 kasi ng second quarter pa. And Jimmy Alapag continuing the talk and text woes from the free throw line. 1 of 2 by Jimmy Alapag. Obolon is hemmed in the backcourt. And the loose ball picked up by Joseph Yeo. Here's a balon! Laying it in. Medyo mahirap lang. Ang dami pinagdaanan ng Santa Lucia dun sa play na yun. But they got it done somehow. A 2-pointer momentarily giving them a breathing spell. 9-point lead for Santa Lucia with a minute and 8 seconds remaining in the ball game. Nasa fourth quarter na po tayo mga kaibigan. You see here, in the backcourt pa lang, binubulabog na si Bitoy Omolon. Joseph Yeo, si Omolon pa rin. Tumapos.
A good job of him of not giving up on the basketball. Akala natin mawawala na yung bola sa kanya. Sa backcourt pa lang, naipasa niya. Tapos siya pa ang naka-layup.
Ito sinasabing he's everywhere. Marlo Aquino tonight, 18 points, 6 rebounds. Doing well with 8 of 13 from the floor. 68 seconds ang nalalabi sa larong ito. At ang lamang ay 9 na puntos para sa Santa Lucia. Here's Jimmy Alapag. Jay Washington. His pass is knocked away.
Good recognition on the part of Santa Lucia. Alam mo na gusto nilang tumira ng 3 kaya tinataboy nila yung mga shooters at hinahayaan. Gusto nyo, dumrive kayo.
Yancy Del Campo. Oh, nice getaway. Left-handed there by Yancy. Oh, hey. Now, I know you pass any Marlo to Jimmy Alapag. Can you beat that? Al-Jamal! Ayaw pa rin. Paulo Mendoza for the rebound. Mendoza to Joseph Yeo. A stop and go, and Nelson Romolon finishes it all. 40 seconds to go. And a 9-point lead by Santa Lucia. And a timeout is called by Derek Peralta of Talk and Text. Jimmy Alapag gets it back. Fires again. Yes.
Down to 6. That's just 2 possessions.
Yes. The impression hatid sa inyo ni Jimmy Alapag. The foul is given up by Alapag himself to stop the clock. And Paulo Mendoza will trip to the free throw line.
And that lineup, kung ikaw talk and text, isa na siguro si Paulo sa iiwasan mo na patirahin ang free throw.
And there's Paulo Mendoza very calmly sinks the free throw. Bilis tumuro dyan. Parang walang isip-isip eh.
May lakad eh.
Pupuntahan pa. Nag-aapura. And Paulo Mendoza himself fouls Jimmy Alapag. Well, a couple of times that Jimmy Alapag visited the free throw line in this second half. He made 1 of 2 on both occasions. 29 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Jimmy Alapag makes the first. Two of 2 this time for Alapag, and the press is on. Marlo Aquino gets it over to Bitoy Amaral. Kelly Williams is all around. Oh, showtime. Double highlights run for Kelly Williams. As Talk and Text concentrated on trying to harass the people at the backcourt, he was left alone to his own devices, and he certainly made use of that. Para sa inyo, sabi ni Kelly Williams. Ito yung ating update sa ating game story ng overloaded. Naging overloaded na yung phone pals. Kanina loaded sila eh. Pero it seemed loaded with problems in this game. Pagkatapos itong Santa Lucia Realty, nakita na rin nila yung kanilang hinahanap.
Let's see, para sa Talk and Text, they just couldn't find 5 guys that work together at the same time.
Isa-isa lang eh, no?
Isa-isa lang eh, hindi mapagsabay-sabay. On the other hand naman, Santa Lucia in the first half, miski sinong ilagay nila, lahat naman nakaka-contribute.
100% yun eh. Diba? Lahat na pinasok ni Coach Boyet Fernandez ay umiscore in the first half. Dito sa second half, meron bang...
Lahat sila Lahat. Actually, the 12 players that were fielded in all scored para dito sa Santa Lucia.
Okay. Ano ba hinahanap natin dito? Ako, nakita ko na. Anyway, yun. Well, ito, kumbaga, the last gasp na ito ng Talk and Text, as Al-Jamal fouls Joseph Yeo. At with only 14 seconds to go, Santa Lucia will notch its first win in 3 outings dito po sa ating Philippine Cup.
They've come close a couple of times. Sabi nga ni Coach Derek during the interview that their first 2 games, they were there.
Yeah.
Dun sa 3.5 quarters itong Santa Lucia, but it seemed that the Realtors had no way of finishing it off. Itong pagkakataon na to, the lead that Santa Lucia was able to build, hindi na, kinaya na. At umabot ng huli.
Talagang pinaghirapan na talaga nila na hindi na nila pakawalan yan no? Guy Billones misses and Al-Jamal puts it back in. And Joseph Yeo is fouled again by Al-Jamal. At itong si Joseph Yeo, although he did not score a bundle in this game, has issued 6 assists in this game. So, actually, sabi nga natin, everyone in the team of Santa Lucia contributed tonight to this upset win of sorts. Masasabi natin upset ito eh. Dahil sabi mo nga, Jason, itong Talk and Text was one of those teams that were being looked at the start of the conference to spring some early wins. Si Kelly Williams, hindi pa pala tapos yung story na yun. Tatlong slam dunk na yan si Kelly Williams in this game to punctuate this win. Major victory by Santa Lucia.